We are in Capstone Park. In the lake. Sorry I haven't done a long video in a while. Well, a longer video. I've done your shorts. Look at that. Loads of pigeons and birds and wow, amazing. This is the lake in Capstone Park. Well, more like a pond. Amazing. This is the Capstone Farm. It's been shut for like years now, but I used to go with my dad and my brother and my mum. Yeah. Shut at the moment. Sad, but that's the way it is. We'll go this way. This is Capstone Farm Country Park Visitors Information Centre, and they got a cafe just there. This is where you walk. There. This is like a picnic area. And there's a like fields, horses and that. Just there. There's a horse. Lovely horses. This is the walk-in path. Just there. We're going this way now. We're going to a bit where you do pull-ups. Let's go this way. There's the bit, do exercise on it. There's another exercise that you do with your feet, like it's a hopping thing. Now we go this way. It's exploring video. Hope you enjoy. Lovely day today. Hope you're enjoying this video. Comment your favourite activity or thing you like to do. Or comment places you like to go to. This is a hopping exercise that you just hop from one place to another. It's quite cool. Now we go down here to the field, which is over there. This is the field. Look at that. Amazing, beautiful day. Welcome to my video. Welcome, welcome. Hope you enjoy my video so far. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share and comment. Would really help me. Be motivated. Oh yes. We love motivation. We love it. This is the field. Lovely, beautiful day. Amazing. This is the other field. We've been to that field there. This is the other one. We are at the bridleway. And this is the path to the other field. That's the pathway there. And we're going, let's go down here to the field. Look at that. There's the other field. Beautiful sky. Amazing. There's also a jumping thing that horses use to jump over. This is their bridleway. So you can take your horse. This is a capstone in near Chatham. There's that little thing is to jump in. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, that's awesome. Okay, you came to the end of the video now. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. What a lovely day.